Accessing data while out of the office is nearly impossible with traditional CAD tools, even if all that was needed was a screenshot or a dimension pulled. Data that you know how to get, as long as you have your server nearby. And this inability to access information has been known to cause more than a delay or two. For Fusion 360 users, managing data is simpler than ever before because every time you save, you're saving to the cloud, where your data is globally accessible from any device. That's right, interact with your data from web browser and mobile applications. You'll find apps made for both iOS and Android. But you can always access your data directly through a browser, where you'll be able to view, redline, and comment. But cloud-based data doesn't mean design work must stop when a connection to the internet is lost. Fusion 360 has an offline mode, ensuring work continues while on the go. Fusion 360 works natively on both Mac and PCs, so you can forget about boot workarounds or being denied support. Continue working on whatever operating system you prefer, or both. No matter where you log in, your data, preferences, and settings will stay consistent. Connect, communicate, collaborate with Fusion Team.